Oh. Hey, what's going on? Detector Mo here. I'm out on a hunt of a new spot. You never know what I'm going to dig up out of the ground, so I want you guys tag along. Hope you enjoy. Roots. Oh, come on. Jeez. Of course, that's a big root going through the middle of my hole. I don't know what I have here. I have a button. All right. Pretty nice. Pretty, that's a dandy size button. I got something on the back side of it. It looks plain. Pretty good size shank. Sweet. It's got like a faint signal. It's like a squeaky sound, so all right. It's another part of a shoe buckle. What is left of it. See the whole small piece of a shoe buckle. This got me baffled. I'm not sure what it could be. Could be a button. Yep, that's another button. With a broken shank. No, I believe the shank is bent over, looks like. But that is a plain button. All right, second button. All right. Looks like a keyhole to a jewelry box or something. All right. That sounds pretty good. All right, sounds like it. Oh, that's a buckle. Check that out. Wow. That is a cool looking, what could it be, a suspender clip? That's a cool looking buckle of some type. Got some kind of ornate decorative. Wow. Check that out. And this is a screamer. It's down there too. Ah, check that out. It's a hoe. That's why it was screaming. Flat piece of iron and a circle, a loop. Pretty awesome. Sweet hoe. All right. What I have here. That looks like a ring, my friends. Yeah, that is a ring. Sweet. I don't think it's gold. Look at the purple stone. Check that out. I believe it's just a brass ring. Yeah, but still sweet, cool looking ring. Okay guys, I didn't dig this live, but I just dug this up. Check that out. It's pretty sweet. All right. Okay. What do I have here? It's not some kind of trigger guard, is it? Pretty cool. I believe it might be. I don't think it's is it a trigger guard? You guys tell me. It's a harmonica reed. What's left of a harmonica reed? I can't get it out. Oh, check that out. Ooh. That's pretty cool. That's pretty sweet. Sounds quite big, like flat. Cool little buckle. Check that out. Alright, fellas, sounds like I got a target right up under this vine root. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that last buckle I dug was just behind me. Well, that's a cool, maybe some kind of suspender clip. Okay, fellas, I just dug that like some kind of spinner clip, and in the same hole I found this. That's pretty cool. All right. was in the same hole. Okay, it's almost the end of the day and time to do my little wrap up. I would say it's like a buckle kind of day. Start off with some pottery I found. Here's a pocket knife. I didn't record digging that. Harmonica reed, couple flat buttons, piece of a shoe buckle, a big brass stake nail type thingy. I figure what this is. This attached to like a bigger plate, and the plate held a candle, so it was like a candle holder thingy. A big flat piece of lead, couple boot taps. This is pretty cool dig. Big tag plate something. It's pretty cool find. Couple keyholes, 2-hole button, and I want to say all these buckles. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, it's a buckle type day. Buckle, suspender clips, whatever. And this ring's pretty cool find. Got some nice decorative symbols going around it. Just a cheap ring, I believe. Brass with like a purple stone on it. Alright guys, folks, this is my wrap up. I hope you guys enjoy, and thanks for watching.